guys, it's your boy here, back at it again, making another video. And today, you know my past videos, I forgot what it's called, schedule, where I just told you guys that I was gonna play, turns out that video turned out to be a little fake, because me and my friend were gonna post a video, but we decided not to because it was like cringe-a-thon. So I'm gonna be making a video later today, but it's gonna go up tomorrow. But today I just wanted to tell you that I'm going in the mountains tomorrow on Saturday. So I'm gonna make videos there, but I might only make like 5. So by the way, I run. Not started like that. Remember how at the end of every single video I say subscribe, like, and turn on post notifications? If you want to see more about me, that's because you haven't seen more about me, because I run on notifications, subscribers, and likes, and I've only got 25. That means I'm only gonna do 25 heartbeats a day. That was my last heartbeat. But for real though, guys, subscribe, like, and turn on post notifications if you would actually like to see more of me, even though you don't want to. But yeah, hope you liked my intro. I changed it up for my new intro. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Subscribe, like, turn on post notifications, all that good stuff, and peace out.